Hello and welcome for the love of food. Today we're going to be making a jalapeno cream sauce. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm melting some butter. I've got about a half a stick of butter here. I want to make a decent amount of it. And then I'm going to be adding in my flour and what I want to put in for my flavoring, which is going to be, of course, jalapenos. So a lot of times when you see somebody make a roux, you'll see them start by putting in the flour and the butter first. I'm going to try it a little bit differently. I'm going to put my jalapenos in my butter and start cooking my jalapenos down. And the reason that I'm going to do that is I really want to infuse that flavor of the jalapeno into the butter and into my roux. And then what I'm going to do for the rest of my roux is I'm going to be adding in some lime juice to kind of just cut that flavor down. All right. So here we are. I'm going to just move those jalapenos around in that butter, kind of get that flavor going on them a little bit. We're just going to cook some of that flavor out of them. And then we'll be adding in our flour. We're just going to put in a little bit of flour here. Let's go ahead and add that in. Make ourselves a little roux. Just move it around. Cook all that. You can smell those jalapenos. They smell fabulous. Now, I put a lot of jalapeno in because I like a nice flavorful sauce. If you tend to like it lighter, just use less jalapeno. Here we go. I'm going to just let that all come together nicely. If I think it needs a little bit more flour right here, would make a nice little sauce now that I'm thinking about it. What I think I might do is come back and bring in just a little bit of a chicken base, like a stock cube, and maybe just a little bit of water. So let's go ahead and put a little more flour in. Again, we're going to let that cook down nicely and all mix in. I like to kind of invent as I go sometimes. If you've watched my videos before, you know that. I'm a home cook. I'm not showing you the advanced way you'd be taught at a cooking school. If you've been to cooking school, you might say, she's doing that all wrong. I just like to cook. And that's the idea here, is that we're home cooks. Not professionally trained. Well, Nicole is. I'm not. I just kind of like to have fun with flavors and food and kind of see how I can make things come together. Now, before I add in any of that stock or anything like that, I am going to add in some creaminess to this by putting in some cream cheese and let that cook down. So about a couple tablespoons of cream cheese and kind of let that start to cook down in that sauce. And then we'll be back in just a minute. We're going to drop in a stock cube and a little bit of water and some lime juice. We'll be right back. All right, so this is what we have after we have added in our stock cube and a little bit of water just to kind of bring that into a sauce, into a nice cream sauce. I'm going to give this a sprinkle of chili powder. Not too much, because I've got a lot of jalapeno in there. I'm just trying to give it some depth of flavor. And then I'm going to squeeze in just a little bit of lime juice, so it has some brightness to it. And then we'll stir this up, and we'll give it a little taste and see where we're at. Let's give it a little taste and see what the sauce is like. That's very nice. It's got a lot of citrus flavor still in it. The jalapeno makes it taste nice and fresh, but it's not overly hot to the tongue. So there we have it. We have a jalapeno cream sauce. Might not be the way that someone else might make it. It's the way that I made it, and it tastes fabulous. You could pour this over enchiladas. You could put this on any kind of Mexican dish, shrimp tacos, anything that would be lovely. Tonight, we're going to be putting it over Mexican stuffed zucchini. Thanks for watching. For the love of food.